Have you ever wondered how some affiliate marketers seem to make commissions every time a new product launches? While most people are scrambling the last minute, a small group of affiliates are already positioned, already ranking, already collecting commissions from buyers who are actively searching for information. So what's their secret? It's called launch jacking. And today I'm reviewing a brand new training called Launch Jacker AI. Now, when I first heard about this product, I was skeptical. Because let's be honest, the internet is filled with affiliate marketing courses promising easy money. But after going through everything included inside Launch Jacker AI, I found something interesting. This isn't about creating your own product. It's not about spending thousands on paid ads. And it's definitely not about waiting years to build a massive audience. Instead, it's a simple system designed to help you position yourself before a product launch goes live, so you could potentially earn commissions from buyers already searching for reviews, bonuses, and information. So what exactly is Launch Jacker AI? Launch Jacker AI is a step-by-step affiliate marketing system created by Dave Espino and Anil Krishna. The entire strategy revolves around finding upcoming launches, creating simple review content around those launches, offering bonuses, and getting in front of buyers before the competition gets there. Think about it. Every single week, new digital products are launched online. Thousands of people search for reviews. Thousands search for bonuses. Thousands search for comparisons. And every one of those searches represents a potential commission opportunity. The challenge is that most affiliates show up too late. By the time they create content, the launch is already happening and the competition has already taken the top spots. Launch Jacker AI focuses on fixing that problem. The process starts with finding the right launch opportunities. Instead of randomly promoting products and hoping for the best, you learn how to evaluate launches based on factors like demand, vendor reputation, commission potential, and overall profitability. This alone can save a massive amount of time because you're focusing your energy on opportunities that actually have potential. Next comes affiliate approval. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you already know how frustrating it can be getting approved for offers. Launch Jacker AI includes a simple affiliate approval process and templates designed to help beginners increase their chances of getting accepted. Then comes what they call your money page. This is where you create a review page designed to help buyers make a purchasing decision. The training shows you how to structure your review, highlight the benefits, present bonuses, and position yourself as the obvious choice. And here's where things get really interesting. Instead of waiting for launch day, you publish your content before the launch happens. This gives your content time to get indexed, discovered, and positioned before buyers start flooding in. In other words, you're preparing before everyone else even realizes there's an opportunity, and that for launch jacking gets its power. The final step is repetition. Once you've created one successful campaign, you simply repeat the same process on future launches. New launch, new review, new traffic opportunity, new commission potential. And because the framework stays the same, the process becomes faster every time. Now let's talk about everything included. First, you get the complete Launch Jacker AI training system that walks you through the entire strategy step by step. You also receive the Launch Jacker playbook, which acts as your blueprint for implementing everything you're learning. Then there's Alina AI, the built-in assistant designed to help answer questions, generate ideas, and assist with content creation. You also get access to the TE community where members share launch opportunities, insights, updates, and support. But that's not all. Launch Jacker AI also includes 11 built-in AI tools. These tools can help with rewriting content, generating emails, creating ad copy, writing landing pages, generating product descriptions, brainstorming titles, creating social captions, summarizing content, auditing visibility, and even handling PDF-related tasks. When you consider how much marketers typically spend on separate software tools every month, having these included adds a surprising amount of value. Now, let's address the big question. Is Launch Jacker AI a magic button that automatically generates commissions? No, and anyone who tells you otherwise isn't being honest. You'll still need to take action. You'll still need to create content. You'll still need traffic. And you'll still need consistency. But what LaunchJacker AI does provide is a proven framework that removes much of the guesswork. Instead of wondering what to do next, you're following a process that's already been laid out for you. Personally, what I like most is how beginner-friendly everything feels. The strategy itself is straightforward. The training is easy to follow. The included templates save time, and the price point makes it accessible to almost anyone. For just $17, you're getting the training, the playbook, the AI assistant, the community, and 11 AI tools with lifetime access. That's difficult to ignore. So here's my final verdict. If you're looking for a realistic affiliate marketing strategy that focuses on upcoming product launches and free traffic opportunities, LaunchJacker AI is definitely worth considering. It's not a shortcut. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But it is a repeatable system that can be used over and over again whenever new launches appear. And here's something to think about. Whether you join or not, new product launches will continue happening every week. Buyers will continue searching. Affiliates will continue earning commissions. The only real question is, will you be one of the affiliates positioned before the launch goes live, or will you be watching from the sidelines while everyone else gets there first? If you're ready to discover how LaunchJacking works and start putting yourself in front of buyers before the crowd arrives, click the link below and get instant access to LaunchJacker AI today. The next launch is already coming. The best time to prepare for it is before everyone else does.